Okay, here we are with the transmission disassembled and on the bench. So what we're going to show you here is a close-up of the damage that was done. These are our shifter forks, and as you can see, the grooves that were cut in both sides. This is the new fork. As you can see, both these are damaged. It happens a lot in these transmissions. So we got two brand new ones to replace that, and our input shaft. And as you see here, this is our brand new input shaft. And this being an M20 wide ratio, distinguished by the two rings here. That's not a tried and true, but is one of the best ways to know that you're identifying it as an M20. Doing a tooth count is the most positive way. You never know what could happen along the way. These trannies have been in production for a long time, and things could have changed. But here's our old input shaft here, and what our problem is, most people think this is where the damage is. This is not where the damage is. These little engagement teeth here, there's a sharp V on them. And what happens is as you can see, over time, when you borrow your brother's car and you pound it, this is what happens, okay? So this damage is done here. Now, this affects the engagement for your synchronizer ring right here. This is your synchronizer ring that slows this gear down to speed so you can engage. But anyway, with the suppliers that we got today, it's great because we got a brand spanking new input shaft that we're going to put in, and everything else in here is like new. Somebody's obviously had this transmission apart and done it, because we've got new synchro blocker rings in here. We have new gaskets, which we're going to replace, and new seals and the input bearing. So all the other internals on the tranny are in excellent shape. So given that, we're going to go forward with the things that we've got here. Put the tranny back together, because in our 67 Chevelle project, there might be the occasion where somebody might take it out and run it through the gears. So anyway, we're gonna put it back together, and we'll give you a ride in the car when it's all done. So thanks for watching. Like us on Facebook.